Welcome Excel Tool Salary Slip Print and Email Software. Before getting started, install Microsoft Excel latest service pack. Enable Excel macros. Download latest Excel tool software. Must read help. How to print salary slip. Open Excel tool software. Select record template to add slip data. Create your slip field, or you can use default field like staff code, name, designation, branch, department, loan number. Enter slip field data. To send email, must create email name field. Must enter valid email ID in email field. Now all slip data are ready. Select slip template to print an email. Enter serial number of record template like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 which you want to print. To print single record, click on print button. To email single record, click on email button. To print bulk record, click on bulk button. Press F1 key. Enter range to print bulk record. To start printing, click on print button. Press yes. Printing process completed. How to email salary slip. Before sending email, create email name field in record template. Set up MS Outlook sender email accounts. Make Outlook as a default mail sender. Must read software help. Select slip template and click bulk button. Press F1 key. Enter range of serial number. Click on email button. Press yes. Successfully email sent. How to change salary slip layout. Press F1 key. Go to change layout. Press OK. Select field name of record template to link here, like staff code, name, designation, branch. Loan number, month, basic pay. To change text font size, color, image, header, click on there, click on that field and make the changes. Press F1 key, click on lock template button. Click on refresh button to refresh slip data field. Now all changes done. Download now our Excel to salary slips print and email software. Thank you.